Hey guys, I'm Brian at CompanyCam, and today I'm going to show you how to use project labels to keep track of some of your repeat business within the app. So, project labels are very simply put ways to filter your project feed later on. So, anytime you can go into one of your projects that you're working on, and you can use these project labels. Those are the ones in color here. I'm working from home today, so I'll use my remote project, but you can manage labels right here. You can do this on the mobile and on the web. And so when I click in there, this is where project labels are going to sit. Now, what you will do to keep track of repeat businesses, let's say that you're a HVAC contractor and you're out there right now, it's fall, you're servicing heating, maybe you're doing an inspection of the whole unit, and you see, okay, the HVAC unit, the heating side of the unit's good. The AC unit is going to need replaced. And from our history of pictures at this project, we can also tell that, we added, so many units of Freon last summer to it. So it was obviously kind of on the back end of its life cycle. What you can do is you can make a label, any number of labels that you want, and you can create a new label. Maybe it'd be spring 2021 AC replace, and you have this as a label. Then you can label all of the projects that you might have your salespeople out doing inspections or reviews, and then put that label on there. That's spring 2120 AC replace. You can put that label on the project, and so then come spring 2021, you can go to your project feed, click on filter, and then select that by labels. And that one that I just made was spring 2021 AC replace. I can apply that filter, and then it'll bring up all the customers that you have repeat business from and give you the opportunity to close that customer. Because when you pull this open, you'll see the customer phone number, you'll have the address, you can give them a call, say, hey, this is Brian from Elite Air Conditioning Services. We did your heater. That was great, but remember we talked about that, and just give you the opportunity to close more business using CompanyCam. So using the tools that you may not quite know about in CompanyCam to your advantage is a great way to do that. And you can have those have it not only on the mobile, but you can also add and change those labels out in the field on the fly, be able to communicate between your office staff and your field staff. We'd love to be able to answer any questions that you have about that. So reach out to us if you do have any questions.